Welcome to our guide on how to request your data archive on X, Twitter, on PC. Let's go through the steps together. 1. Begin by visiting your Twitter account on your PC. 2. From the navigation bar, click on the menu icon to access the options. 3. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the navigation menu. 4. Click on Download an archive of your data to initiate the process. 5. Then, click the Request Archive button to proceed. 6. Twitter will send a verification code to your email address for confirmation. Enter the code provided, and you will receive a message confirming that your request has been received. 7. It may take up to 24 hours to process your request. Twitter will notify you via email or push notification when your data archive is ready for download. By following these steps, you can easily request and access your data archive on Twitter, allowing you to review and download your account information. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in explaining how to request your data archive on X, Twitter on PC. Take control of your data and privacy by managing your information through this simple process. Enjoy a more transparent and secure Twitter experience with access to your data archive.